Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Your calendar for the weekend looks pretty nice. Downtown Venice Art Classic both weekend days. It's the 17th annual with over 200 artists, many different media types. Forecast looks good too. 10 a.m. temperature when it kicks off will be in the mid-60s, sunny, dry, light north wind. And then as it wraps up at about 5 o'clock in the evening, low 70s, sunny, dry. High UV index, so be sure and wear that SPF 15 or better sunscreen because you'll be needing it that day. Looking at a lot of very pleasant temperatures across the region with lower dew point values. It feels pretty pleasant out there, actually. 73 degrees in Wauchula, Arcadia at 64. Did I say 73? 63. And then 74 degrees in Myakka, Parrish at 63, 64 in Bradenton, 63 in Sarasota. Venice and Inglewood both coming in at 66 degrees, as is Longboat Key. Across the region, dew point values have really significantly dropped and continue to do so. We're at 60-degree dew point now. We may actually dip into the 50 dew points for this morning, upper 50s. That, I'm all choked up about it. That is a very comfortable dew point value, I think. I mean, I think it's very pleasant. East wind comes in at about 663. As I mentioned, the temperature will get up to a warm temperature this afternoon. The thing about dry air is it cools off effectively and efficiently, but it also warms up very fast as well. 72 by 9 a.m., almost the 80-degree mark by lunchtime, and then as we head into the afternoon, 83 degrees by 3 p.m. It was a beautiful afternoon yesterday, I thought. A little on the humid side. I was doing some planting yesterday, and it was very nice indeed. Not much in the way of any kind of rainfall around, but this afternoon is going to be spectacular, I think. A lot of dry air aloft. That's indicated here by these tan colorizations coming on through. That's kind of a microwave signal of some drier air aloft, and that's going to really just eliminate our rain chance today. Low pressure area to the north of us, though, producing some rain showers at this hour in Atlanta. No airport delays being reported, as we just showed you, but nevertheless, this whole system is gradually drifting toward the east and could kick up a few more thunderstorms a little later in the day. Could be some airport delays at Atlanta and Charlotte because of that. Atlanta first and then Charlotte much later on. Not much in the way of a rainfall chance currently or later in the afternoon. That low pressure area accompanied by another low pressure area kind of team up together to form one front that'll come through here and bring us some different weather for the weekend. Big time different weather. Until then, we'll see a spike in our dew point values and the humidity starting tonight and through tomorrow because high pressure will be pushed south to accommodate those approaching fronts. So our winds are going to have to accommodate that as well. Shifting to the south, we'll see that spike in dew point tomorrow probably. 2 more warm days today and tomorrow. And then possibly late Thursday night, early Friday morning, a shower, maybe, small chance, but it's there. And then a cooler weekend. There's much cooler air back to the west, and that's what's in store for us. Some of that air, and probably for a prolonged period of time. Southwest wind comes in at about 5 knots. That'll bring you 2 foot seas and a light chop. Nice day out in the waters. Water temperature up a little bit. It'll probably start to cool a bit, though, this weekend. 83, our daytime high today. Tomorrow, 82. Friday, we cloud up just a little bit, perhaps during the morning hours. 20% chance of a shower, probably pre-dawn, and then temperatures begin to fall over the weekend. 75 on Saturday. Sunday, Oscar night. Stephanie will be tweeting. Catch it. It's going to be interesting. She's got a lot of good things to say. A credentialed film critic, so it's not just a fluff that she'll be tweeting. And then as we head into the beginning of next work week, some pretty nice temperatures, I think 70, 74, something like that.